Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Worker A, let's say right, and you have to give me a verdict, whether it is a yes or a no. So worker A, the day the worker was entered into the system, so entry. This is the date and time. The hiring person, or the recruiter, or the HR partner made the actual entry in the system. Right, so entry was made on 2022-04-26. Okay. At 10:53, pasting. Alright, so the entry of the worker, the effective date or effective date of the hire. And okay, let's say that we are talking about hiring workers. Right, so that is what we are looking for. Only new hire. The effective date of hire is 20/22/04/26. Okay. Now don't tell me if it is a yes or no yet. Okay, let me finish off with the others. Then we have another worker which is going to be the H. Our person was working and she made the entry at the same goal. She was sitting. She was working on this. So she finished this by 11:13 PhD in 20 minutes. I intend for, 10, 20 minutes. The effective date of worker B is 20/22/05/15. This person, worker B, is going to join us on the 15th of May, so it's a future data hire. Then we have a worker C. Right. The worker C. The entry was made on 20/22/04/21. Sorry, 26, sorry, 25. Let's make it 25, something different. At 10 a.m. DST. The effective date for this hire was 20/22/0/40, sorry, 19. It's a past dated entry for worker C. And then we have another worker D. The entry was made on 20/22/04/15. And around in the afternoon. 1300 PhD. The effective date of the hire is 20/22/04/26. Right. So this worker was entered on the 15th of April. And at the time of entry, they had given a future effective date of 26. Right. Now think about the 4 options that you saw. And try to tell me which worker would be included or detected as a change in our integration run. And which worker will not be included in our integration run. The run that is going to happen on 28th of April at 8 p.m. Pacific. Let's do case by case. Worker A. Let's look at worker A. Will worker A be considered as a change? Does the worker A be included? Yes. Why? Okay. So is the overwhelming yes. Alright. Let's take it as a yes. Why is it a yes? Because the effective date is 20 years and NPL 26, and we are running at 28. Yes. Okay. So we are marking it as a yes. An overwhelming yes. Alright now. Worker B. Yes or no? No. No, because it's a future date. It's a future date, so we are not too keen. We think that no. So worker A is yes. Let me just use ticks for this worker B. We are thinking that probably. No. Okay. We will come back and visit it later if it is different. Worker C, what do you think? Yes. It will. Okay, we got one answer that, yes, it will. I will not ask you why. Let's wait for the others. What do you think You think it will be, yes. Anybody who thinks it will be, and no, yes. Yes, meaning you think it is yes or you think it's a no. Yes, you think it's a yes, okay. Anybody who thinks it's a no, I mean it's a perfectly valid thought. If you think it's a no, it's fine. No right or wrong answer here. As if no, anybody who thinks a no, alright, everybody thinks a yes. Now. Let me ask you why. Yes, because it's a question. It had a. So, even though it's hard to be for the around a moment, that is what it will be, and so that okay. So the effective date of hire is in the past, which is 90th of April. That's okay, but the entry was made on the 25th of April. So we are thinking that, okay, alright might be, this is going to be included now. You see, the effective date was the 19th of April. When was the free? When was the last run of the integration? When did it run the last time? 21st of April. Right, that's the time the integration last ran, correct. We all agreed to that. Shouldn't worker C be included in the previous run, and now, if we included it again, shouldn't it cause a duplicate? But it wasn't until it was. It wasn't until in the system. So what is your rationale? You want to stick to your previous answer. Like, yes, it will be included. Or would you want to change your answer? No, I would. I would stick with the situation, such as research, that, yes, the worker would still be included. Anyone else who would like to change their answer? This is your last option. This is the last time. Last chance. You can change your answer. No. Yes. Yes, anybody who would like to change their answer? I have a confusion for a question here. Let's learn. Okay, I will let them in conclusion. See the effectee, and the date is 25th of April. And last but successful running. Is it 21st? so it is not effective day. This is the entry date that day. This is the entry date. Not this. If you did it, it's a 90. Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking about the upper one, 6th row. So it's through. Oh, I saw here. Yeah, it's last successfully. We run date on 21st, not 20.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@therateuptalk.com.